Okay, so here's the deal. Today's video is going to be something you don't want to miss. I'm about to show you how I'm getting ready for a trip that's going to blow your mind. I'll take you behind the scenes of my packing process, share some last-minute tips, and, trust me, you'll want to stick around to see my vacation reveal at the end. No spoilers, but it's going to be, stick with me, because the countdown to this trip is about to get real, and I'm sharing everything with you. Okay, so before I get too ahead of myself, let's rewind a little bit. First things first, you might be wondering, where am I going? Well, that's still a little secret, but I'll give you a few hints. Think warm weather, crystal clear waters, and lots of adventures. Sounds good, right? I've been planning this for months, and now it's finally time to pack and prep. But we all know getting ready for a vacation is never as easy as it sounds, right? Between the packing, the last-minute things to do, and making sure I don't forget anything, there's a lot going on. So, I thought it would be fun to bring you along with me for the ride and show you exactly how I get ready. From packing hacks to a sneak peek of my vacation outfits. Let's do this. Alright, let's start with the most important thing, packing. This is usually where things go from super excited to, oh my god, what am I doing? I always like to organize my clothes by outfits. This might seem like overkill, but it honestly saves so much time when I get there and I'm scrambling to find what to wear. I also try to pick a color scheme, so everything can mix and match. Pro tip: you only need about 5 to 6 outfits for a week-long trip. You don't need to overpack. Trust me on this one. Now let's talk toiletries. This is the part where I always end up forgetting something, so I've learned to keep a checklist. You know, the basics, shampoo, sunscreen, deodorant, but then there are the travel-sized extras I can't live without. I'm obsessed with this little bottle of dry shampoo. It's a game changer, especially on long flights. And, of course, the skincare routine is coming with me. No matter where I go, my skin comes first. Okay, so I have to share this with you. I'm so excited about one item that I'm bringing on this trip. But, I'm going to make you wait until later to see it. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. It's going to change the way you travel forever. Stay tuned. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm never going anywhere without my gadgets. And if you're anything like me, you need your phone, camera, headphones, and a bunch of chargers. This little guy right here is my lifeline. A portable charger that'll keep me going for days. I also have this tiny Bluetooth speaker for when I need to set the mood and some noise-canceling headphones for flights. Trust me, you don't want to hear the baby crying 2 rows behind you when you're trying to sleep. And yes, I'm also bringing a power bank that charges like 5 devices at once. Don't judge me. I'm that person who always needs to be plugged in. Next up, let's talk outfits. You know, the part where we all stress over what to wear because we want to look cute but also be comfy. Well, I've got you covered. I'm all about versatility. I like to bring pieces that are easy to mix and match. But, this time, there's one outfit that I'm really excited about. Want a hint? It involves a hat, sunglasses, and something sparkly. This outfit right here is my go-to. I'm on vacation but I'm also a model, look. It's comfy, cute, and perfect for beach days or a nice dinner out. So yeah, you'll be seeing this one on the gram for sure. Speaking of Instagram, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you can see all the behind-the-scenes fun while I'm traveling. I'll be posting all kinds of updates and sneak peeks, and trust me, you don't want to miss them. Okay, guys, I'm about to pack this little bag, and I'll let you in on a little secret. This is where I keep the best part of my packing. But, I'm going to let you guess what's inside. Leave your guesses in the comments below. You're going to want to know what's in here when you see it. Alright, the packing is almost done. I think I've got everything I need, and now I'm ready to tell you where I'm actually going. Drumroll, please. I'm going to Bali. Yup, that's right. Bali, Indonesia. Sunshine, beaches, amazing food, and unforgettable adventures. I seriously can't wait to share everything with you guys. It's going to be an epic trip, and I'm bringing you all along with me. Okay, I think that's all for today's Get Ready for Vacation vlog. I hope you're as excited as I am for this trip, and I can't wait to show you everything once I get there. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming travel vlogs. And, of course, leave a comment down below letting me know where you would love to go on your dream vacation. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one, and wish me luck as I head off to Bali. Bye.
You ever wake up on a Saturday morning and feel that rush of freedom, but then suddenly ask yourself, what should I even do today? You've got the whole day ahead, no work, no school, no stress, just time. But how do you make it count? Well, stick with me, because today, we're diving deep into the most amazing, creative, and fulfilling things you can do on a Saturday. Whether you're flying solo, hanging with friends, or just trying to recharge your soul. But before we unlock all the Saturday magic, take a quick second to like, comment below your favorite Saturday activity, and of course, subscribe, because every week, we're bringing you the best ways to live life fully, one day at a time. Ready? Let's make your Saturday unforgettable. Wake up rituals that set the tone for the day. Let's kick things off where every Saturday begins, the morning. How you start your Saturday decides what kind of day you're going to have. You could roll over, scroll your phone for 2 hours, and waste the magic, or, you can do this instead. Wake up without an alarm, let your body rest naturally. Open your windows, drink a tall glass of water, and step outside, even if it's just the balcony. Light stretching or a walk, not a workout, just movement. Put on your favorite playlist, set the tone. And maybe journal one simple question. What would make today amazing? That's the secret. If you set a clear vibe, your whole Saturday follows your lead. Try a new cafe or breakfast spot. Nothing says weekend like breakfast outside. And not just any breakfast, the kind you never have time for during the week. Here's the fun part. Look up the most underrated cafe in your city. Not the Insta-famous one, but that cozy, local gem no one talks about. Order something new. Sit and watch people. Leave your phone in your pocket for once. Or better yet, invite someone you've been meaning to reconnect with. Good coffee plus good conversation equals a morning well spent. Explore a hidden gem in your city now. This part's for the adventurers. Every city, yes, even yours, has a spot you've never explored. A park with an old hiking trail. A museum you've driven past 50 times but never entered. An antique bookstore tucked away in an alley. A rooftop with a view of the skyline. Make it your mission, go somewhere new today. Pretend you're a tourist in your own town. Ask a stranger for a recommendation. Wander. Get a little lost. That's the thrill. Solo projects that fuel your passion. Saturdays aren't just about going out, they're also perfect for going inward. You know that passion project you keep saying you'll start someday? Well, today is that day. Here are some ideas. Start that blog or YouTube channel you've dreamed of. Sketch something, even if you can't draw. Write a chapter of that book idea you shelved years ago. Build something with your hands. A DIY shelf, a planter box, anything. Edit old photos, learn a new software, or design a vision board. You'll be amazed at how energizing it is to create instead of just consume. Connect without screens. Here's a wild idea. Ditch your phone for 2 hours. I know. Sounds impossible. But try this. Call someone instead of texting. Play a board game with your family. Go for a walk with a friend. No headphones, no scrolling, just walking and talking. Sit with your grandparents or parents and ask about their favorite Saturdays growing up. Real connection hits different when it's screen-free. You start seeing people, not pixels. Do a mini travel. You don't need a passport to feel like you've traveled. Try a mini travel experience right in your city. Go to a restaurant serving international cuisine you've never tried before. Visit a cultural center or temple that's open to visitors. Attend a local festival or fair. Learn 10 phrases in a new language just for fun. It's not just about the food or sights, it's the mindset shift. When you see the world with curiosity, Saturday becomes an adventure. Volunteer or help someone. What if I told you one of the most fulfilling ways to spend your Saturday is giving it away? Volunteer at a food bank or shelter. Drop off groceries to an elderly neighbor. Offer a free skill online, like tutoring, design help, or resume reviews. Clean up a local park. Kindness has this strange side effect. The more you give, the better your day gets. Treat yourself without guilt. Let's be real, you deserve a little indulgence too. So go ahead. Get that dessert you've been craving all week. Take the longest bubble bath of your life. Rewatch that movie that makes you cry every time. Order takeout and have a solo picnic in your living room. The point is, Saturday should feel like a reward, not just a break. Reflect and wind down as the sun sets and your Saturday slows. Take a few quiet minutes to reflect. What made you smile today? What are you grateful for? What memory will you carry into the next week? Maybe write a few notes, maybe not. Just notice. You lived today on purpose. That matters. And just like that, your Saturday wasn't ordinary, it was amazing. Remember, it's not about doing more, it's about doing what matters. So whether you explored your city, created something new, connected with others, or just breathed deeper than usual, you showed up for yourself. And that's what Saturdays are for. If this video inspired you to try something different this weekend, drop a comment and let me know what you did. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because next week, we're diving into how to master Sundays without the Monday dread. Thanks for spending part of your Saturday with me. Now go make the rest of it unforgettable.